Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Workday integrations for HR data sync, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin activating Workday integrations for HR data sync, ensure you have the necessary administrative access. Log into your Workday account using your credentials. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Type in Workday Studio and select it from the drop-down list. Once in Workday Studio, look for the option to create a new integration system. Click on Create Integration System to open the integration template. Select HR Data Sync as your integration type. Fill in the required fields with relevant information about your organization. Specify the data sources you want to sync, such as employee records or payroll data. Define the target systems that will receive this HR data. Confirm the format in which data will be sent, such as XML or JSON. Set up any required transformation rules if needed. Establish a connection schedule for your data sync, choosing daily, weekly, or monthly intervals. Review the connection settings to ensure they align with your organization's requirements. Once you confirm all details, click on Save and Activate to enable the integration. Next, monitor the integration dashboard for any errors or alerts post-activation. Test the integration by manually triggering a data sync to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Document your integration settings for future reference and troubleshooting. Maintain regular checks on the integration to ensure ongoing data accuracy and compliance. Finally, update any stakeholders on the successful activation of the HR data sync integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.